it means business. Look at the pit viper.
One, two, three!
What's going on, everybody? You're watching 252 Squad, and I'm Seth. And in today's video, we're gonna be going to a massive Mustang meet with lots of burnouts and lots of revving, probably lots of fun. It's called Modify My Stang. I am taking my 1350, and I got Sean along. He's gonna come along with me. He's somewhere back there, over there, and we're gonna go ahead and get this done. Hopefully, it's gonna be pretty fun. We're gonna film a quick inside rip of the car with the tire on the back, and Sean in it.
Quick.
It's pretty rowdy. All right, so we just pulled up. We're actually about an hour early to when it actually starts, so I went ahead and got parked up with a quiet plate on the back. There is the Burnout box right over there, but we're just gonna go around and walk around and look around like pretty quickly before everything gets here, just kind of off camera. And then I guess once everything starts showing up, I guess we'll go ahead and show you some of the cars and I guess some of the rowdiness. All right, so we've been out here for probably about an hour now. Cars have pulled up for sure. The whole lot is pretty much filled up. I'm out here. It's a bunch of Mustangs all around. People are pulling up. As you can see, the Burnout pits right there. There's another car pulled up. I'm pretty sure they're probably gonna get ready to get started pretty soon. But there are cars wrapped around the building already. I'm glad we got here like an hour early, but this is already becoming insane. So as you can see, the Burnout box is about to get live. We got Justin's actual car here. This is Modify My Stang's actual Mustang. We got a sick one there and another one there, and the whole lineup over there. So it's about to get crazy.
First of all, I want to thank you all guys for coming out again, once again, to the event. You know, we do it for you, because of you. And yeah, I'm sure all y'all came for the Burnout, so we'll get started with Mr. MMS himself, Jess. As always, like I said, thanks for guys for all coming out and enjoy the show.
Bro's brakes are on fire in the rear. That's pretty wild. Took a solid 2 minutes for him to actually probably be able to see out of the car. That was so much smoke. That's the smokiest burnout I've ever seen in my life. It's pretty wild. Blasted on this one because it's gonna be fun. Are kind of sliding it right now. that 10 speed going through gears. Bro's got a whole pile down there. Two valve got a little warm. Pretty wild though. Bro did take it all the way down to court. That was the rowdiest one yet.
Come on, let's hype them up, guys. Hype them up.
It's all over our shirts now. That's crazy. I also can't hear a single thing right now. Bro, that was wild. Rip bro's shirt, bro. See if this V6 can work.
it's a lot of pressure. You wouldn't know, like.
Oh, this man means business. Look at the pit vipers. Trying to bully this thing into the burnout pit. Look at this monster. Heck yeah. I just want to come on and say personally here that they posted specifically to not do donuts, burnouts, or any takeover activity outside of the compounds. If there is a burnout pit back there. And so all this stuff that you're seeing right now and hearing right now is not on Modify My Stang. That is on all the other people who are out here being idiots. So what can you do? They're doing their best, but they can't do anything. Beaky motors, man. Alright, so that's going to be pretty much it for the video. As you can see, I'm in front of the Modify My Stang booth itself. Great place, great people. If you want any Mustang parts, make sure to hit them up on the internet. I will put the link right down here in the description and at the bottom of the page right now. It was a great meet. There's a lot of takeover stuff happening right now, so we're getting ready to head out. But it was a fun time. The burnout box is great. The people are nice. And all of the guys over at Modify My Stang are amazing. So y'all do check them out. Hope y'all have a great rest of y'all's day. Peace out, and I'll see y'all next time.